Kia ora, and welcome to this IT training tutorial video on working with your EndNote bibliography or reference list. If you're using formatted citations, the bibliography is built at the end of the document automatically. If your citations are unformatted, you would need to go to the Tools menu and then go to EndNote 17 and Update Citations and Bibliography. You could do that as well anytime that you've made a change to your document, but your bibliography hasn't reflected that change. Your bibliography is formatted as dictated by your citation style. If you need to change this, go to the Tools menu and Note 17 and Configure Bibliography. In the Format Bibliography tab, you can change the output style by browsing to a different one, or if it was in your short list, you can just pick it from here. That will then update the bibliography to reflect that citation style's rules. If you want to add entries to the bibliography but not have them in your document, there's a way to do that too. If you go to the Tools menu and then EndNote 17, go to Insert Citations. Now from this list you would go and find the citation that you're looking for, select it, and instead of just pressing Insert, you would use the arrow beside it, and you can now choose to insert it in the bibliography only. So I'll go ahead and do that. And now I see that entry is in the bibliography, but it's not anywhere else in my document. Lastly, if you just want to create a reference list from EndNote, you can do that too. You just go to EndNote and select your references. So in here I've got a group and I've selected everything in that group using Command A. And now I'm going to export these. So in EndNote I'll go to the File menu and choose Export. Now you choose a location where you would like to export that to. I'll just put this on the desktop. And then choose your file type. If you put it in rich text format, then it can be read by Word. And then choose your output style. I'm just going to export the selected references, not my entire library. And then I'll click on Save. I've already done this before, so I'm just going to replace the one that was already there. Now I'm going to go into Word, and in Word I'm going to use the File and Open, and I'll find that RTF file. Now you'll probably have to change the Enable option from Word documents to All Readable Documents. So when I click on Open, that document is now available to me. It is just a bibliography of the selected references from EndNote. Just note that the font that is used is whatever was used in the EndNote preferences in the display font for the general settings. Okay, that concludes this IT training tutorial video on working with your EndNote bibliography. Thanks for your attention. Kia ora.